Hello friends, so today's video is about a query which somebody has asked as to what should be our approach in children who are having delayed development in talking. So this child, if you want to treat such children, the important thing is you should know the proper approach. So if a child is having this problem, so if this is a physiological problem or there is some pathology involved, so you need to first clear that thing up. And if this is only physiological, so the conflict which I am about to tell you is when there is only a physiological issue, so there is a delayed speech development. So in such case, the mother's pregnancy stress history should be probed upon. So now what kind of stress should be probed upon? So there are various possibilities. So as far as I could think, there is 9 or 10 different probabilities or different probable causes which can cause delayed speech development in children. The first conflict could be that the mother was not allowed to talk or express her opinion at home or in the environment in which she was living. So here she was feeling excessive control. So people were trying to dominate her, they were trying to control her, and she was not allowed to express herself. So she gave a genetic message to the child that there is no need to talk because your words are of you will not be allowed to talk. So there is no use of talking. So there could be either speech which could be absent or the speech could be delayed. Here, the important thing is the thought process in the mother, which travels at a genetic level, should be very, very, very deep and should be very intense. So, how could we judge what type of intensity and all? So, it depends that we should inquire about the intensity and what was the thought process in the mother. Usually, there are certain fixed thought process. Actually, small emotions or a trivial emotion will not cause such disturbances in the child. There has to be some strong thought or a strong belief in the mind of mother. So these beliefs they travel to the genes from the mother's thinking process. So here in homeopathy, the beliefs we call it as delusions. So here mostly the delusion which the mother is having it travels into the genes of the child. So here the when the mother was excessively under control, so the delusions which are related to control could be taken as an entry point. Some examples are like delusion influence is under a powerful. So mother is feeling that she is under influence of some powerful force. Delusion possessed being. So possessed does not mean that some external spirit or something has come up. So it also means that you are feeling controlled by some other external force. So you do not have an individuality, your individuality is lost. So that you are under possession of somebody else. So this is delusion possessed being. Then delusion superhuman control is under. So that control is out of proportion. So that amount of control the mother is feeling. So these are certain beliefs which mother can form during pregnancy, and these beliefs can go into the genes of the child, and thereby the speech can be impaired. Second is the opinion of the mother does not matters. She is not valued at home. First was domination. Second was she is not valued at home. Her opinion doesn't matter. So why should I talk if my opinion is of no value? So here either the mother feels neglected. So delusion neglected, then delusion despised. Okay. Then delusion worthless. So mother is feeling that she is of no worth at home. So delusion worthless. So delusion despise. Despise means she is not at all. She is always put down by people. Then the third possibility is whatever I say, I am being taken in the wrong sense. So if a mother is feeling that whatever I am being said, I would be taken in a wrong sense, then I should not speak. So this is what is delusion misunderstood is. So if a mother has a feeling that I would be misunderstood every time I speak, so here these type of beliefs can also go into the speech area of the child. So it could be hampered. Then next possibility is, fourth possibility is, if I speak, there will be further conflicts. So things will become worse. So I should not talk. So here the mother feels that I should not talk. If I talk, then things will become worse. So here the mother is feeling responsible for her own self. So the mother is either conscientious or she is having, she wants harmony at home. So she is very responsible type of female. So depending upon her version, you can select the rubric. Fifth possibility is I should be quiet. The mother feels that I should be quiet as I have to keep a secret and I need to suffer in silence. Then here the feeling is that the mother wants to suffer. She has to suffer. She has submitted and she has come on her knees that I should suffer and I should keep a secret. So I should not speak to anyone else. Something is there in her mind. So here mother is feeling helpless. So helplessness feeling of could be the entry point. But there are various possibilities depending upon the version of the mother. So everybody hurts me. Sixth possibility is everybody hurts me emotionally and I should not speak to anyone. So very sensitive mothers who feel that I will be hurt if I speak anything. So the other person who is in front of me, he will try to hurt me emotionally. So I should not speak. I should keep quiet. So here the rubrics could be fear, hurt of being emotionally. This is one rubric, fear, hurt of being emotionally. Then, yes, further the rubric depends upon the sensitivity of the mother as to what type of hurt she feels. Okay, what type of hurt is she is feeling in her perception. Seventh possibility is I feel all alone in a crowd or in a family. Then whom to speak to? Even though there are people at home, mother feels that she is totally alone at home. Okay. So here the delusion could be delusion belong to anyone she did not. First. Second could be delusion alone always she is. Then delusion cast away being. Cast away means she is totally kept out. Even though she is at home, but in her thought and in her belief, she was kept as if she is someone else. Then delusion alone in wilderness. So she feels as if nobody is there. I am pregnant. I don't have support from my parents. I don't have support from my in-laws. I don't have support from friends and anyone else. So I feel that as if I am all alone in this world. So delusion alone in wilderness. Okay. Then eighth possibility is mother feels that I cannot trust anybody, so I should keep silent. So mother has trust issues. So she feels that she should keep silent. So here fear of being betrayed. The rubric is fear betrayed of being, then delusion deceived or delusion betrayed, whatever she feels. So you have to form the rubric. Then ninth possibility is generally reserved mothers who do not like to talk. So mothers who are very reserved, so they do not want to talk. So depending upon the personality, so you can always differentiate. So child's personality should be seen and the entry point should be taken according to the perception of the mother. Tenth possibility is the people near me are hearing my personal talks. So whatever mother is talking to her husband or whatever she is talking, so people are trying to hear or people are trying to spy her. Okay, so she feels that this is the situation, so I should not talk. So there is one rubric, I think delusion spied he is. I think there is one rubric. Then delusion conspiracies against him there are. So something is going on in my behind. So whatever I speak, so they are making some people are making plans in order to defame me. So I should keep quiet. So, friends, there are these 10 possible situations which a pregnant mother can experience. I think if you look at all these possibilities, almost 80 to 90% of these children you can treat with these possibilities. So, the scope of homeopathy is limitless. You can treat anything. The only thing is you need to focus the proper conflict, the perception, and of course, the patient should cooperate when we are treating them. Thank you again for subscribing. And yes, I feel that people are having many queries, so I would like to answer one by one. So this was one question which I thought would be good to answer. So there are queries in line, so I'll be answering one by one. Thank you again.